Today, we will be learning double-digit subtraction with ungrouping. If you're watching this video, you should have completed our video, double-digit subtraction. Let's get started with what is a double digit. Double means two. Double digit means 2 digits. That means each number will have 1, 2 digits. The number on the right represents how many ones there are, and the number on the left represents how many tens there are. Double-digit numbers can be any number from 10 to 99. 100 does not count. 100 has 1, 2, 3 digits. As you know, with double-digit subtraction, you want to put the numbers horizontally. So your ones are in the right column and your tens are in the left column. When subtracting, it's important to subtract your ones first, meaning the right column. For example, in this subtraction equation, we would subtract our ones column, which would be 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Next, we would move to our left column to subtract our tens. In this case, 2 minus 2 equals 0. So 24 minus 23 would be 1. But what happens when you subtract your ones and the top number is smaller than the bottom number? In this example, can you subtract 8 if you only have 3? No, that doesn't work. That's when you have to ungroup. Ungrouping means we're going to borrow from our tens column. Ungrouping our tens, we will borrow 1 10, meaning our tens column now has 2, and our other 10 will move over to the ones column. So now our ones column has 13. Now we can subtract our ones column. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then we move over to our tens column, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. 33 minus 18 equals 15. Let's try another one. 82 minus 16. Let's start with our ones column. Can we take 6 away from 2? No, that's not possible. So we need to ungroup our tens and borrow 1 10 to come over to our ones column. If we take 1 10 from our tens column, our 8 will become a 7. We move our extra 10 over to the ones column, so our 2 is now a 12. Now we can subtract our ones column. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Then we can subtract our tens column. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 82 minus 16 equals 66. Great job! Now you've mastered subtraction with ungrouping. Way to go!